We decorated for Christmas this morning.
Start them again, Anne.
There's our tree. Those are two favorite toys. There's her face. Annie, do your face. Woo! She's scary.
Your cat's scary face.
Alright, let's hang up one ornament. Let's see what we find. Let's see what we can find.
I want to hang up one.
I'm trying to find a special ornament.
For me?
No, for the grown-up tree.
Missing a lot of
Mommy?
Oh, look at
Can I
this.
hang on?
Okay. Annie's gonna hang this on the big tree. Annie got that ornament from Kathy Heilsberg. Is that her term? Or Daddy? Oh no! No! Not Jesus song. Let me see it. Hold it still. Hold it still. Oh no! I hate that ornament. They're very good, Annie.
I used to play with that, Daddy. I want to play with Daddy.
Good morning, dear. What are you
I
doing? Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.